Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel English Talk Now, our English podcast for beginners. I'm Olivia, your teacher today, and our topic is feelings. Repeat, feelings. Again, feelings.
Hi, Olivia. Hi, everyone. I'm Mateo. I like this topic. Feelings are important.
Yes, Mateo, feelings are very important. We have feelings every day. Happy, sad, tired, excited, and many more.
And sometimes it's hard to say them in English.
True. But today we will learn them in a very easy way. Slow, simple, and clear.
Good. I'm ready.
Great. Let's start with the word feel. Repeat, feel. Again, feel.
Feel. Easy.
Yes. Now here's a simple sentence. I feel happy. Listeners, repeat. I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Good. And another one. I feel sad. Repeat. I feel sad.
I feel sad.
Excellent. We will learn many feelings today. We will practice. We will repeat. We will have fun.
Fun is good.
Yes. So this is our warm-up. In the next part, we start exploring the most basic feelings. Let's start with 3 very common feelings: happy, sad, and tired.
These are feelings we use every day.
Yes. First, happy. Repeat, happy. Again, happy.
Happy.
Good. A simple sentence. I feel happy. Listeners, repeat. I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Great. Now the opposite feeling. Sad. Repeat. Sad. Again. Sad.
Sad.
A sentence. I feel sad. Repeat. I feel sad.
I feel sad.
Very good. Now the feeling tired. Repeat. Tired. Again. Tired.
Tired.
A sentence. I feel tired. Repeat. I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Excellent. Now let's practice a mini conversation. Olivia, how do you feel today, Mateo?
I feel happy.
And you listeners, say it out loud. I feel happy. Good. Mateo, how do you feel after a long day?
I feel tired.
Listeners, repeat. I feel tired. And how do you feel when something sad happens?
I feel sad.
Very good. These 3 feelings are the base. Happy, sad, tired. We will learn more in the next part. In this part, we will learn 3 more feelings: angry, calm, and scared. Repeat. Angry. Again, angry.
Angry. That means not happy, right?
Yes, it means you feel upset. A simple sentence. I feel angry. Listeners, repeat. I feel angry.
I feel angry.
Good. Now let's learn calm. Repeat. Calm. Again. Calm.
Calm. Easy.
A sentence. I feel calm. Repeat. I feel calm.
I feel calm.
Very good. Now the feeling scared. Repeat. Scared. Again. Scared.
Scared. Like when you see a big spider?
Exactly. A sentence. I feel scared. Repeat. I feel scared.
I feel scared.
Great job. Now let's practice a little conversation. Mateo, how do you feel when there is a lot of noise?
I feel angry.
Listeners, repeat. I feel angry. And how do you feel when you sit by the beach?
I feel calm.
Repeat. I feel calm. And how do you feel in a dark, strange place?
I feel scared.
Excellent. Angry, calm, scared. 3 useful feelings for everyday English. Now let's learn 3 more very common feelings: excited, nervous, and bored.
These are feelings I have a lot.
Me too, Mateo. Let's start with excited. Repeat. Excited. Again, excited.
Excited.
Good. A simple sentence. I feel excited. Listeners, repeat. I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Great. Now let's learn nervous. Repeat. Nervous. Again, nervous.
Nervous. Like before a test?
I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
Very good. Now the word bored. Repeat. Bored. Again, bored.
Bored.
A simple sentence. I feel bored. Repeat. I feel bored.
I feel bored.
Excellent. Now let's practice with a quick conversation. Mateo, how do you feel on your birthday?
I feel excited.
Listeners, repeat. I feel excited. Mateo, how do you feel before a big job interview?
I feel nervous.
Repeat. I feel nervous. Mateo, how do you feel in a long, slow meeting?
I feel bored.
Great. Excited, nervous, bored. 3 feelings we use all the time. Okay, everyone. Now it's practice time. You will listen, then repeat. Nice and slow. Ready?
Yes. Let's practice feelings together. Remember, repeat at home. Don't be shy. Let's start.
Okay. Listen, then repeat.
Mateo. I am happy.
I am happy.
Mateo. I am sad.
I am sad.
Mateo. I am tired.
I am tired.
Mateo. I am excited.
I am excited.
Mateo. I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
Mateo. I feel calm.
I feel calm.
Mateo. I feel scared.
I feel scared.
Mateo. I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
Now let's practice questions about feelings. How are you?
How are you?
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Are you tired?
Are you tired? Let's do a short practice conversation. Repeat each line after me.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
And you? How are you?
And you? How are you?
I feel a little tired.
I feel a little tired. Great job. Repeating is the best way to learn.
Yes. Keep practicing every day. Feelings are easy when you repeat them many times.
In this part, we talk about feelings in real life, feelings in everyday situations. Easy English, slow English. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's show how feelings appear in simple moments. At home, at work, with friends, everywhere.
Let's start at home. How do you feel in the morning?
Sometimes I feel tired in the morning. Sometimes I feel happy because it's a new day.
Yes. Let's teach the listener. Repeat after me. I feel tired in the morning. I feel happy in the morning.
Good. Now another one. I feel relaxed at night.
At work or school, we also have feelings. Listen.
At work, I feel stressed.
At work, I feel stressed.
At school, I feel nervous before a test.
At school, I feel nervous before a test. Very good. Feelings change. Sometimes positive, sometimes negative. It's normal.
With friends, we usually feel good.
Yes, let's practice.
With my friends, I feel happy.
With my friends, I feel happy.
I feel excited when I see my friends.
I feel excited when I see my friends. Now, let's add a small word. Because. Because gives a reason.
Listen, I feel tired because I didn't sleep well.
I feel tired because I didn't sleep well.
I feel happy because it's my birthday.
I feel happy because it's my birthday. Great job.
You're doing amazing. Feelings are powerful words, simple but important.
Yes, and you can talk about feelings every day. At home, at school, with friends, anywhere. Now we practice real-life conversations, short dialogues, easy English, slow English. You listen, you repeat, and you learn.
Yes, these dialogues are simple. You can use them every day, at home, at work, with friends, anywhere.
Let's start with a friendly conversation. Listen first.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I feel happy today.
I'm good. I feel happy today.
And you?
And you?
I feel a little tired.
I feel a little tired. Great. Now a short work or school situation.
Hey, are you okay?
Hey, are you okay?
No, I feel stressed today.
No, I feel stressed today.
Oh, I understand.
Oh, I understand.
Do you want help?
Do you want help?
Now, a happy moment. Listen, I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Why?
Why?
Because I have great news.
Because I have great news.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Okay, now a nervous situation. I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Why are you nervous?
I have a test today.
I have a test today.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Great job. Small dialogues help you talk in real life. Feelings make your English alive.
Yes! Keep repeating these conversations. They are short, they are simple, but they help a lot.
Welcome to the final part. You did great. Now we will do a simple review. A small review. Easy English, slow English. Let's remember the most important words.
Yes, let's go back and repeat the key feelings. Repeat with us. Nice and slow.
Repeat after me.
Happy,
Sad.
tired,
Excited.
nervous,
Calm.
scared.
Relaxed.
Great. These are feelings you can use every day.
Now let's repeat some important phrases. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel nervous. I feel relaxed. I feel excited.
Now the questions. Repeat after us. How are you? How do you feel? Are you happy? Are you tired?
Why do you feel...
Let's review because. Repeat after me. I feel happy because it's a good day. I feel tired because I didn't sleep well. I feel excited because I have plans.
Let's do one last short conversation. How are you? I feel great today. And you? I feel a little tired. Okay, take care.
Great job. You learned many feelings today. You practiced words, phrases, questions, and real-life conversations.
Yes, and remember, practice every day. Repeat every day. Little by little, your English gets better.
Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. See you soon.